Hello, everyone. We have wrapped up our second major writing project, so congratulations to everyone on finishing that. I know that we have been working really hard on the research process, and now we get to move forward into writing our persuasive essay. So you will be sticking with the same topic that you wrote about for writing project 2 for this essay and for essay 4 as well. So you're sticking with whatever topic you've been working with for writing project 2. No new topics. So what are we doing this week in week 8? All on our week 8 to-do list. We're going to get started by reading through the writing project 3 research paper assignment sheet, looking at a sample research paper, and working on the From the iSearch to Research worksheet. There's some further reading about argumentative essays. We'll have a discussion post to work on, and then you will work on your working thesis assignment. There will be some more reading about thesis, and the assignment due on Sunday this week will be your working thesis assignment and your secondary discussion posts. So we're basically just kind of moving forward with our writing project 3 and our argumentative essay. So I wanted to go over the assignment sheet. Oh, that's not the assignment sheet. Here's the assignment sheet. So for this essay, you are writing about your community problems and issues and how we can help. So you'll be writing an essay of at least 1,500 words with at least 4 outside sources, with one of them being academic. You can certainly use more than 4 outside sources. You will have access to 8 sources based on your writing project 2. But basically, for this, we are writing about an issue or problem that you think is important in your community. And again, this should be the same issue that you have identified in writing project 2. You're not looking at any new topics for this. Eventually, in Unit 4, we'll be writing about this issue in connection to additional outside sources and creating a public awareness campaign for your topic. So you'll want to hook your readers, pose your problem, initial mapping and forecast by providing this purpose or thesis. The body of your essay will discuss one of the main issues that your community faces, talk about the points of views, looking at the different sources that you've been investigating, and your conclusion will have a call to action. What do you want people to do about this issue? How do we try to fix it? So you can see kind of the tentative schedule here. Week 8, we'll be working with thesis statements, 9, organization. Week 10, you'll have a draft. Week 11, proofreading and feedback. And WP2 will be due in week 11. And you can see here what you're being assessed on. So that's kind of an overview of what Writing Project 2 is about. All of the things that we're doing this week will help us understand how to make a successful argument and how to carefully craft our thesis statement. So all of the activities this week are geared towards that. The working thesis, let me talk about the iSearch to Research worksheet. So this is just a worksheet that I want you to fill out to think about how you're moving from your iSearch to your research. So what was your topic? What did you learn? What specific position can you defend in your research paper? So this is kind of the beginnings of your thesis statement. What sources can you still use for your paper, and what additional information do you need to find? So basically you're thinking a little bit about, what did I learn? How do I want to proceed? And what do I need to know to proceed further? How am I going to continue my research with this project? And this will just give us a way to communicate with each other, help me to make sure that you're on the right path, that you're thinking argumentatively, and that you're sticking with the correct topic. And that will be due on Wednesday evening. The second assignment due this week is your working thesis assignment. Basically, you will work to create a working thesis statement that is temporary scaffolding to help you build your essay. This may not be the thesis that eventually ends up in your essay, but it will help you shape your work. And you can hear my dogs barking in the background, sorry. Sorry about that. My dogs heard a car drive by and decided to start barking. So your working thesis assignment will help you to create a thesis that you can use to scaffold your ideas and to shape your work. Eventually it may change, but I want to be sure that you have a clear, focused, argumentative point of view to get started so that it will help you with your research. And that's basically what we're doing this week. We're just moving forward with writing Project 3 and moving from research to in our persuasive essay. And we'll be reading about thesis statements. We'll be reading about constructing arguments. We'll read a few sample essays to help you understand what good arguments look like. And then we will progress forward from here. So if you have any questions, please let me know.